Good morning, guys. How you guys doing? How una day? How so una sleep well? How was your night? Guys, I believe Siri know the stuff now where they mainland no. Now where they Kurudu, Bariga, Obalende, Oshodi. I believe Siri know the stuff now because if na see wetin rain do us for this country, it's like if una see wetin rain do us, no, no worry, ma show una wetin rain do. Rain enter our house. Enter the whole compound. See, everywhere is flooded. Can you guys see it? Look at everywhere flooded. Look at with water, even outside gates. Just look at. I dey use this now. See my leg. See everywhere. Now they see rain. Now they see. For this kind fine house. How will I leave the cat? I cannot leave the cat. The cat doesn't want to touch water. The cat don't want to touch water. Oh. So guys, did you guys see? If you go our house, guys, look at our kitchen. There is water. Look at water everywhere. Do you see? Do you see water? Can you guys see the water? Look at water. Water. See cats. If you do any, I will just fling you. Respect yourself. Respect yourself, oh. Respect yourself, oh. It's what I've been complaining about. I'm crying. Sorry. I will fling you. Oh, thank you for watching. Thank you for watching. Bye.